So we are back at the house. We have stuck ourselves in the mud at the house, and we're trying this good old ratchet strap trick to unstuck us from the house. Oh my God. Stop. It worked.
So ladies and gentlemen, we are in Kentucky.
We're down here this weekend. Malcolm, you guys know Malcolm. He's popped in once or twice before. Malcolm and I drove down here to participate in the King of the Heap at NCM Motorsports Park in Bowling Green. We just left the mod store, also known as Lowe's.
It's cheap, efficient, and it gets the job done. Where's the, oh, there it is.
So we're on the way back to the mod factory right now.
For sure.
And we'll be pimping this bitch out tonight.
You want to talk about what we're going to do, or are you going to wait? You're going to wait, let's show the people afterwards.
Oh no, we'll show them.
Yeah, we'll show them.
We got some.
We call it the Low Special.
It is the Low Special.
Hey Brian,
what up,
you
dog?
will appreciate some of those pan shots that I got.
Yeah. It's about good for the night, but look at this.
Hell yeah!
Dude, it looks so rad from the back. Dude, it looks so rad. Imagine driving behind this thing right now.
Oh. That belt's gonna switch. It'll quit. Oh, it's like
yeah.
It's the alternator belt.
Hell yeah, boy. Alright, we're gonna see you bright and early tomorrow. We're gonna go get some food.
It's on with you.
Peace! Good morning, guys. We are back. It is Saturday morning. McDonald's presenting you the official breakfast of King of the Heap. Everyone in the drive-thru is looking at us so ridiculously right now, and it's fantastic. So to give you guys a quick overview of modifications for the car last night, we added this sweet adjustable splitter. We added a little pop of color on the wheels, you know, to bring the whole livery of the car together.
Bang, bang.
Bang, bang. I think we went the wrong color yellow, but
it's okay. It's okay. I'm colorblind, so I can't even tell the difference.
It'll be all right. We should have gone with the more mustard. We ended up with a...
Dude, that's like highlighter. That's not even a highlighter. That's like hot yellow.
Yeah, we went hot yellow.
Hot yellow.
Should have gone with mustard yellow.
Mustard yellow.
But we're gonna run inside, grab some breakfast, and then we're heading to the track. Peace! Tight. Pre-race checks. Yeah, looks good. Body panels still feel good. Yep, we good. All right, son. Do work. How'd she feel? It looked good. I don't know, it didn't upload yet. Alright, you good? Race spec. Drag wing, engage.
That was fun.
How'd it feel?
That was super fucking fun.
You're tired, Brian.
Hey, where?
How you feeling, big fella?
Feeling good.
Ready to tear it up?
Hell yeah.
Show 'em what Mickey D's fucking squad does.
Good old Billy.
Much better.
So Brian,
Malcolm.
what was the most interesting part of the road course?
The realization that I'm not built to drive around corners. I was bred to drive straight.
That's
That was a great realization of it.
Yeah.
Jay,
Just down on the road.
in the motherfucking zone right now. Look at that focus, checking his gauges, making sure his radio's on smooth classic rock jams of the 70s.
He's thinking to himself, damn it Malcolm, damn it Brian,
He's
I
like,
can't get a point.
These jackasses in front of me both got strikes, which means
The pressure's on.
the pressure's on. If Jerry screws up, all of our road course time, not that mine was good anyways, but all our road course times are trashed. Godspeed, Jerry.
How'd he get there so fast? Dude, where the fuck?
There you go, Jay.
Kenny. How you feeling?
I feel confident. I feel Earnhardt-esque.
You feel fast?
I feel fast.
Feel fast. Feel real fast.
I ain't first to last! I feel the spirit of Bill Elliott flowing through my veins.
Jerry's trying to take a picture.
That was the horniest smile I've ever gave.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, he is. Smooth is fast, fast is smooth. She look quick. She look smooth. She look fast.
I'll look up and see what I done.
Looking at the official times.
108.
108. Damn. All right, Jerry. My man, Jerry. Get ready to roll. No first gear. Starting in D2.
second gear takeoff right there. Nope.
Malcolm up next. Wait for the hand signal, Malcolm.
Ooh, did the 180.
Oh, straps the.
Come on, Malcolm. Come on, Malcolm. Dive. Dive. Here you go, Malcolm. Alright, we are getting ready to do our last run of the day for Autocross. Malcolm's getting ready to do his final run. Or I turned off manual zoom. Oh no, there it goes. Ryan bested the road course, I bested the drag, and Malcolm's the closest to doing the best on Autocross, so we'll see if he can bust into the low 31s. Coming quick, coming smooth, final straight.
Oh shit.
30?
30?
Is that a 30?
Yeah.
30.9. My man's. Pack up our pits, sit through some awards, and this is closure to 2019 King of the Heap.